Will you agree with me when I say that we are all creation of the divine force and we are all created uniquely in the shapes, in the sizes, in the heights, in the weight, in the way we look, in the way we think, in the way we perceive, in the way our emotions works. Everything is so different and so unique. Isn't that a blessing? Because that is what the universe decided for us to be. And that was how we were as a kid, so excited about everything, so happy with our lives. But then we met friends. Then we were taught to fit in. Then we were told this amount of height is perfect. This amount of weight is perfect. This type of looks, this type of face cuts are fine. And then we started commenting on each other, making fun of each other, body shaming, and whatnot. So, where is this whole loop begins? It begins with the growth. It begins with the wrong perception of few people that created the whole culture. But now is the time when we have to accept ourselves the way we are. The same person can look into the mirror and see a failure, and the same person can look into the mirror and say, I'm a warrior. That's the difference in acceptance. The day you start accept yourself as a warrior, no one can come into your aura and tell you anything wrong about your life. Because now you have accepted yourself as a warrior and you have already preset boundaries within yourself, and you will clearly either tell them to fit in or just leave them. That is the importance of creating boundaries when you protect yourself, and that would be only possible when you accept yourself the way you are. I recently met a friend and she told me that you have a bad hair day today. And I'm like, no, I don't think so. I think I can record a video going back home today. And she was like, there was a silence for 5 minutes. And that was the time when she knew she cannot come comment on me the next time. That is how we create boundary. And those boundaries are naturally created by us. We do not have to force that. That will be created only when you and I accept ourselves the way we are. And acceptance is not that tricky part. It is just being our own kid version again. Just unlearn all the wrong things, beliefs, all the wrong patterns that were taught to us. And then we are left out with our own kid version. And that is the focus of today's episode of Come Back to Yourself. When we are finally going to talk about how you can finally accept yourself, not just physically, but emotionally, mentally, energy wise, fully your inner world, accept yourself and create inner peace for yourself. Real acceptance is when your beam aligned together by accepting your body, your emotions, your energies, and your mindset the way they are, and then creating boundaries around them so that you can keep yourself protected and accept your inner being self the way you are. And that doesn't mean you are not improving on anything. There are always great things to adapt and learn from. But there is nothing within yourself to feel low about. That is where we are talking about acceptance. When you clearly know your whole body, when you have accepted yourself as the best and the purest version and as the blessed version of yourself, as a creation of the divine force. And that will come through oneness. When you know that you are one with everything that is around you. There is nothing as right, wrong, perfect, imperfect, no separation at all. That is when you experience the real acceptance through your body. And that also means healing any of the earlier past wounds that you have been carrying for long. There was one comment in the childhood on which everyone laughed around you, but that created a trauma within you that still sits here, and that only shows up when certain situation comes up. And you know it deeply, deep down, you know that there is something that is triggering you, but even when you do not know it, you can actually reveal it. Just go back to your childhood. Start writing. This is the practice to actually accept yourself the way you are. Just go back to your childhood and start writing your whole story. Think of yourself as the hero and heroine of a movie, and then write out your whole story from childhood, when you made your first friend, how you were with your family, how you were at different places, wherever you visited. Just write out everything. And once you have it all written in your hand, now notice what were the moments that you tried to run away from. What were the moments that you just wrote one line, but they were more deeper into emotions? That is when you get into accepting your emotions. Because this whole body is not unique. Like, this is not separated. This is oneness. So there are body traumas that can be emotional traumas as well. That could be energy traumas and your mindset traumas as well. So this is not about finding each of the specific traumas. This is about whatever is keeping you dragged into the past. Everything needs to be healed today. Because from here, we are going to create a life of fulfillment. That is the focus of this podcast, to take you closer and closer to your inner self. But until and unless you are not healed from the past wounds, you cannot go to the next step. Because past was just a story. But if that story is creating a deeper hole within you, you cannot heal it in the future. So now is the time when you have to go into your whole story from the childhood. And then start writing out everything that you tried to run away from. Just go into those moments. Just take out time. I'm not telling you to rush out anything. Just take out your time. Take a pause and start going deeper into those situations, and then feel oneness with it. Feel like the situation you were in and the person who gave you that trauma, feel oneness with that person. Because it's all our own creation. It was your energy at that time that attracted that wrong person into your life. So it is not just that person, but it is your own creation. So go into that moment, feel that oneness, and heal that wound. Because no one is separate. That trauma is not separated from you. This is the time, go into that past, heal that wound, and then come up powerfully. That is also a part of acceptance, because now you have accepted yourself, even the lowest moments of your life. Coming back to the acceptance of your body, start loving yourself, because until and unless you love yourself, you cannot accept yourself. And this is the main reason why I started this podcast, because I want every one of you to fall in love with yourself. Just be completely in love with yourself. And that would start first with appearance. I know there are a lot of spiritual guides who says that this body is not the real being, and I do agree with that. But it all starts from where we are right now, from where we, the whole Gen Z, all the generations, we are all living into the trends and patterns that we live in. It needs first to accept our own body the way it is. Just fall in love with your whole body. Just pamper yourself more. Take yourself out for dinners. Do everything that your body wants from you. And you will see how blissful you will feel just by being with yourself, just by loving yourself the way this body is. And aligned with it comes your energy. There are a lot of low vibration energies that we keep vibrating in that needs to be healed. If you have been feeling a kind of shame since childhood, accept it and heal it. If you have been feeling fearful about something, accept it, heal it. Everything that you have been facing, everything can be healed and overcome. But the only way to keep yourself stuck is to hide it or to diminish it. Any of the emotional traumas that you're feeling, any of the low emotion that you feel, when you try to control it, it triggers you more. That is how it works. So whenever you feel like there is kind of fear that is triggering you, accept it, heal yourself, and come back more powerful. So start finding out what are the vibrations that you are vibrating on, and how many of those vibrations are actually so low that they needs to be upgraded to the higher frequencies. And higher frequency include acceptance at its core. Until unless you accept yourself, you cannot go into flow, you cannot go into loving yourself, and you cannot be into neutral state. So it all starts with acceptance. So whatever low vibrations, if you have a habit of blaming others with anything, start accepting that I have this low vibration, and because of its consequences I want to heal it. And once you heal it, you will start vibrating on high frequencies, and you will get to live a life of inner fulfillment. And then comes your emotions. And this is so deep because our nervous system is always on run. Something happens and it triggers, and you don't know why you were so burst out. Remember some situations when you just out of somewhere cry out at something, or just show a lot of anger at something, while the situation is not that worse. Why? Because there was a older suppressed emotion that was not healed. And this is the time to heal it now. And then comes mindset. The mindset that you are in defines the life that you live. The way you look at everything, the way you perceive everything, it all defines who you are. So start auditing, start understanding the mindset that you live in, and start accepting the way it is. Now find out what are the flows into it. Just understand like which are the mindset frequencies that are keeping you backside into your life. And once you heal that, once you overcome that, you will see how you have upgraded the whole life. So once you start working on all these aspects, and this is a never ending process, never ending process. But just by being conscious, just by knowing that you have certain things to work on, you will start unconsciously working on them. Initially, you will start working on them consciously, but then you unconsciously will learn that I have to heal all these things, because you are showing a better way of living life. Till now, you have been living this life this way because you were never told that there is a better way of being. But now, when you know there is a conscious, better acceptance way of living, cherry on the top. Now, why will you adjust at a lower standard when you know that better life exists? That is how you want to take yourself to a acceptance level and to a high vibration frequency, where you will actually create your own energy of high vibration, high aura, and that will bring the right frequencies, energies into your aura, and that will help you change the external environment that you live in. So now I want you all to write in the comment below that I accept myself through my being alignment: body, mindset, energy, and emotions. With that, hit subscribe and let me see you in the next episode of this podcast.